Hello, to a brand new video. This is my backup routine. I'm really backing up my files, how I do it. So basically, and if you're an IT guy, you should probably do this, or if you're not an IT guy, you should do this, but everyone stresses that you back your files up, and you should. This is how I do it. I'm gonna do a whole video explaining, I'm gonna do a whole video later on explaining, ways you can do backups, pros and cons, methods, blah blah. This is my personal way of doing things, and it goes like this. I rely on images. You know what that is? No, it's not a picture. Images or computers are basically the contents of the hard drive combined into one file. And it's the reason why that's better than just doing a copy and paste of all files. But I rely on those a lot. This means that I have a lot of computers. I have 30 of them. No, I do not back all of them up. Most of them I do not, because they are not computers I use for regular things. They're computers I have for fun, to play with, to sit around and do nothing. But yeah, the only machines I back up are the ones I use for work. And as I say work, I mean like, you know, video work, personal stuff, whatever. Not literal work as in my job. I don't need to do a job. I'm not gonna have it for the day this comes out is the last day of my current job. Thank fuck. So yeah, but yeah, for editing, for schoolwork, for whatever, just the ones I use for normal things that I do on a daily basis. Those pictures get backed up. The rest of them do not. So it's on my server. So I use a lot for file storage. My Mac Mini is for editing and just, you know, general stuff. My main PC is a 2019 build. I use for videos and other stuff. My MacBook, which don't need back that up because I barely see into it, but I'll do it. And my Asus laptop, which again, I actually wasn't going to back up the last two for video, or this time around. But because of the video, to show, I did it for you guys on video. Because the Asus and the MacBook, I don't really use. I don't really save stuff to them that much. In fact, the Asus laptop I haven't been using for a while. Because I bought it for school, didn't end up needing it. So I built my desktop. Or no, I had a desktop first, huh? Yeah. So I should use that more than laptop. Anyhow, here's how my backup routine works. You should always have an offset backup. Meaning a backup that is not local to your location, your building, your house, whatever. Now, cloud storage is great for that. However, cloud storage costs money. So I bought two hard drives instead. There are two 8TB Western Digital hard drives. Western Digital Black hard drives. So the way it goes is I created all the images. I made them all. I put them on that first hard drive. Then, once I knew it was enough, 8TB was enough, I bought the second hard drive, put it all on there, on the second hard drive, and that hard drive is the offsite backup. So I have one hard drive here, one in the offsite location. So now what I do, I got it all set up. Every 6 months, so June and December / January, depending on, you know, I get pretty busy around the end of the year with a lot of stuff. So what I'll do, I will start making my images using Mac and Reflex, and I will, once I get them done, I'll copy them over to the hard drive on site. I'll erase the old images off that drive. Then I take the drive from here, my house, and I say here, take that to my offset location, which where the other hard drive is, which is also bolted than I saved bolted before. Bring the offset hard drive home, update that, then keep it here. In other words, the offset hard drive comes home at the same time the on-site drive goes to the offset location. So both hard drives are never here at the same time. They are, however, at the offset location at the same time, which could be an issue, but in reality, their backup or systems still are here. So long as both hard drives never end up here at the same time, we're all good to go. So that's how I do it. To get to the process of making images and stuff, so I got through some things. But yeah, otherwise, that's it. I'm not talking about my backups. So yeah, I'm gonna flip it right now too. Oh, to victim, I mean computer number 1. This is me my test build. Fuck me. My main build. I didn't say it was the test build. Whatever. Anyhow. This is my main build from I say 2019, really the end of 18. This is my capture rig. I do all my video captures on here. So my HD60 Pro in it. Tell you my gaming videos, blah blah blah. So I would want to do a screen capture or something like this. But a couple issues here. One, this is my normal capture PC, so I can't use it to capture stuff, or I'm imaging it, I'm not booting the Windows. And 2, well, I can use my laptop to capture it. The problem is with some computers I'm going to do, this is my MacBook, my other laptop, is that laptops don't always output to the external output, there's the external video output, if the OS is not loaded because the driver is not loaded. So those two I'll probably do with the camera anyway. I said, fuck it, I'm in camera with all of it. You guys have seen me do macro imaging before. Only difference is how I boot to macro now that I have my server set up. Before I do the USB flash drive, they're always USB, fuck it, anyhow. But now I have it set on my server as a PFC boot. I'm going to boot off of that instead. So that being said, here I'm going to turn on my monitor. Now the issue is that we had to set some machines to legacy mode to boot off of the legacy, to boot into PXE. As I think that you have to. We never tried not doing it that way. Out of the boot off of the server instead of the normal UEFI boot. I'm turn it on and start hitting F12 here, trying to get into the BIOS. That did not work. Okay. Let's delete actually, but no big deal. So we're gonna go into here and we're gonna hit, because there's no option, TPS boot, we're gonna hit enter setup. We're gonna go to system, I believe. No, BIOS. Yeah. We're gonna do enable CSM support. And I have to boot option. We're going to set to enable. And then we're going to do save and edit. And save and edit. Hit yes. Now it's time. Now mash F12 down. Go to the boot menu. And now we got a lot more options here. So, we got to follow that. I should have done the camera. We're going to hit, I'm going to get Echelon slot, or whatever it is. This is my 10 gig network card. This is the network. And it's going to try to boot off of a PLC server. I do have one set. We should get the, F12, boom. And the option for I can put X54. Enter on that. And now it's going to boot off of the networks server into Mac and Replay. This is a convenient one. I'm going to find the flash drive I have with my stuff on it, or any flash drive with information on it. I just boot on the network, boot up, and boom. The only thing flash drive for is the MacBook because I don't have an OS X installer. And I never run Mac on there anyway. I use the macOS installers. This tutorial is image drive, so yeah. Boot up. I did have to inject a driver for the 10 gig NIC. So if you're not using a older AC NIC, it may not work, but I have the driver built in, so it works. So we're gonna hit back up here on the backup tab. You see that? Yeah. The last one has 2 hard drives in it, or really one SSD and one hard drive. The hard drive I don't really care for the data on there, hopefully there's a couple things I want, but mostly it's just the recording, the video storage. Most of that's already on either the server, the Mac Mini, so I don't care what the drive. I need the main drive, the boot drive. Everything on it. So line check both here. Hit images disk, and usually it just picked the right disk for me. So this is the Samsung 970, and we see that the video drive, or the hard drive is the D drive. So that's a D. I always use my own custom name. So I put i5-8500. That's the CPU computer. It's the only computer I have. It's the only computer I have with this CPU. I'll do today's date of 1-4-24, not 23. I can't doing it this time of the year. Hit next. Hit finish. And now we will get that going. It don't take too long for this video, I don't think. And it might take a while. We'll see. But yeah. I'm gonna get ready now and get the method going on it, imaging. And we'll go from there. Alright. While I do everything, I'm gonna do the method below. So, I'm gonna hold out Alt, or Options, everything, both. Power button. Turn on the machine, of course. This is the boot menu. I need the monitor installer. Now this has Sierra on it, I think, but that's all we need. So currently we have 21 more minutes on the other system that just started. I'll do these two today. Maybe my laptop later. I know they care about the thing and charge it up. So I'm not spend too long on this today. I need to get it done, so about one percent. Alright. We're not on the install. So I'm gonna hit this story. Hit continue. My business will network drive support and the installer, so I have a USB hard drive button. We're gonna hit view and go to show all devices. I hit the Apple SSD, the images, no file, a new image from the Apple SSD media. I don't use flash drive for now. Later. There we go, MVP 2015, even though this is the only MacBook I'm doing. And then in that 1-4-24 date, because the same day I just did. I don't know if I'm still doing the back and forth image over there. And select the backup drive. It's just a drive called backup. This isn't the actual hard drive to go on. This is a USB hard drive I keep around to do stuff. Actually, I used to hold my off-site and on-site backup on it, the rotation thing, but not anymore. Alright, hit save. And hopefully, yeah, this is a pain in the ass. So there's that. We're gonna go ahead here and round out the volume here and try that again. This is totally, this sucks, but whatever. There you go. Couldn't do this, you piece of shit. Whatever. Alright, I'll have that when it's still done. Alright. That one is done. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys how you can get our video D. You know, just like in show. I think. I need to put the whole 100 gigs to it. Yeah. Here we go. The 1-4. 24, I still also want to do it right now. But yeah. Yeah. And now we can do it is shut this guy down. Or reboot actually. And then that's on F12. It boots up. No wait actually. And delete as it boots up. To get into the BIOS. BIOS CSM support Go to disable. Save and exit. Save. Yes. Now we should boot right back into Windows. And so you can put Windows 11 Pro on this computer. So if you want to open the IC, Windows 10 on it. And there you go. Oh, dang. And the MacBook is nearly done, so she's done here in a few minutes probably. And we're done. So, there we go. That's it. There's no changes. We can just shut down and move on. I'll run my list, plus spreadsheet, and mark this off the list. MacBook is done, which is good. I need to work something upon it, so good timing. I'll show up tomorrow maybe with more. Like I haven't heard about that. I didn't charge it. Alright, next up. Hi, Asus and GTX very similar to the main build, the first one I did. But this is kind of repetitive, but what that's there to do. And this is what I wanted to do one time, once I drastically changed the process, because it's the same shit over and over again. So right now, what we're down here, F2 is the BIOS key. I like to keep this one button. So I'm doing it for you guys, I'm gonna do it all here. This is why I would skip this one. The reason why I would skip this one. The reason why I would skip this one is because I don't use it very much, but since I'm doing it for you guys, I'm gonna do it all here. So just gonna have to disable the UEFI mode, which I don't remember how to do. Or built, huh? Yeah, CSM enabled. PLC enabled. Save and exit. Alright, and save and exit. Okay. And F8 is the bit menu. So we're gonna use that. What the fuck? Now what you're doing is stop. That's wrong. Should have BIOS for it. Bit menu. PXE. We're gonna hit F12. Alright, now I'm gonna put 54. I'm just gonna put it off my server, my NAS, or server, my Windows server, on Dell. It's much easier not to fight with finding a flash drive and that. You just plug in Ethernet cable, and you're good to go. Alright. This thing I heard what was done here. I bet I'll listen to full on here. 3525. We're only using 400, so cool. We're only using 120. Actually, dumbass. Alright. So, image this disk. The 120 gig, which is the SSD. I think I better that again. So, E-drive. Put the name in here. 780. And then for days are 1-7-23. Next. Dash. Alright. What is this thing? once you get started, I'll cut the video. It should go just fine though. Alright, cool. And another thing I care about on the other drive, so we're not gonna even do that one too. It's mostly just extra storage for like games and stuff that we gotta re-download if I need to. So, I'm back. And we're done. That was easy as hell. Yeah, that's how it is. Alright, so that is 3 down. I believe 2 to go. The Mac Mini and the server. The Mac Mini, we don't image that one just yet because I can't figure out how to get the boot off a USB yet. It's a newer T2 mouse, and the way to do it, I can't figure it out yet. I need to. And the server. Which, yeah. I want to do it too. So, yes. Alright, and now, the last machine to be backed up the Mac Mini. So, this video I don't image, I copy the file over instead because, one, I haven't actually figured out how to put this thing over on the drive yet. I don't like kids right now. And 2, I have over 400 gigs of video files on here that do not need to be backed up. 1, let's say 2 months from now, but my computer just destroyed. Most of that footage is stuff that I need to edit still, and I hope by that point I've already edited it and uploaded it, and therefore don't need the raw footage anymore if it wasn't still there. Second of all, a lot of that raw footage I keep a copy on here, as well as the server. I did a full image of the server's drive, therefore I already have it backed up anyway, so why bother? So what I'm going to do instead, I'm going to back up USB drive connected. This is not the main drive that holds the backup, this is just a temporary drive. Just so this way the on-site backup and the off-site backup are the same. The whole skill I hope explained in the intro. So I go to the home folder here, I go into the drive, and there you see the backup on the right there. I'm going to take no VMs because I don't care. Post nothing there, pictures, nothing. I don't that has anything in it, so I don't really care. Nothing important is music. I might get in here, whatever. Don't wait that actually. That's it in there. No, I don't care about that stuff. Movies is a huge folder on my library. We are really not taking this one because that's 223 gigs that I quite frankly do not need. So, no. Download things will take it though. How much is that? About 40 gigs. Alright. What I'll do on my desktop here, I'll show you guys. Desktop in total is 400.85 gigs. Thank God this is a 2 terabyte drive. For those of you who are curious, I know I would be too. How much space is available on this computer? 1.45 terabytes are available. I spent each one on a very big drive. But that would be minus the unedited folder, which was 241 gigs. And minus also the upload folder. So it's something before should be uploaded, which is 76.42 gigs. And there will be about 300 gigs left. So only about 100 gigs to go over here. I may actually more folders too, depending on what I see. But yeah, I watched that go through it and slip through it as well. Right now I'm doing the inventory. I did the trailer. I'm working on the restaurant vlog. What I'm at now actually. I've recently exported that finally, get out of the way. So I got a lot of shit going on, so it's a mess temporarily. buff it out here. Alright. I'll see you all in a bit. I won't show you guys doing the fucking desktop work. This is for fuck of until all it is. So see what part I start moving stuff to the backup drive. Alright, back. Now we're gonna work on these server next. So I'm gonna cheat hitting my desktop first. I do have a server on HDMI too. I'm gonna go through the remote desktop here first and show you guys. We have two drives back up here today. This is my video archive drive. I'm only gonna back up this folder here, and that's it. These I have on some hard drive already all backed up. That's one here. Imaging the whole drive. And then this drive, which is the boot drive. Which I had to extend that because that's actually 500 gigs. Let me get the new drive. But anyhow, yeah. Image this drive and this drive to that external SD hard drive, which needs to be turned on. So go ahead and shut this down here. Shut down. Then we'll go to the HDMI. And during that, I shall log in a keyboard here. The system itself. Not moving the Windows anymore. Okay, start off with the second server, the testbed server. Which is basically the network to boot off of PXE. Go ahead and set my keyboard on. Alright, there. Oh, I just hit F12 on boot up. Do a boot menu here. And we're gonna hit the quickest slot. Actually, it would work. This one. Hit F12 again here. Find the server. Yep. Alright. I don't know what. 10 gig SMB. I need a driver for the 10 gig card. So, run a little faster. Alright. This is my PC server that's downstairs. This is a test server, not obviously the same server. We're booting this from because I can't boot the server off its own PXE server. It's just not gonna work. And now it's not working because Windows is not loaded. Because we're image the main hard drive. Or the main SSD actually. Alright, so we're gonna back up here. We're gonna go through the default all the disk. Because just off. Clone this disk. What do we got? The Samsung 970, that works. Oh, fuck. Image, not clone. Image the 970 EVO to, what do we got here? This drive. My USB. Change the file name. Recommend that. So stupid. Why? To 10400 boot. And we're gonna hit finish. Now, fortunately, this is a USB 2 hookup drive. USB 2 drive. Because it's a SATA 3 drive on a SATA 3 dock. There's a port USB 3, but I can't get to the USB 3 ports easily because they're on the back of the fucking rack. So I just bought something on Amazon to put USB 3 in the front of the case, and I didn't want this done today, so fuck it. But running a terabyte over the USB 2, yeah, that's gonna take a while. So, it will, but do. Yeah, 3 is slow as shit, I know, so. But since this screen capture, I'll let it go and do timelapse of both. Yay for you. Not for me. Enjoy. No, that's not too bad. 2 months. This is only 30 gigs though. That next drive is gonna be freaking a terabyte almost. So that's how I'll live timelapse. Alright. 4 minutes with 30 gigs. Let's see how long a terabyte takes. Kill me. Oh, wrong keyboard. This. Alright, you want to see that? Yeah. Good. I select this one. Image. Yeah, main D. 900 gigs to the F drive. I'm going to change this to 10,450, I think. Main 11-13-24, not 23. What's that? 11. This is not, no. Wait, 10 months ahead now. 113. 24, 10,400. Yes. Alright. We're gonna be here for a while. I'll see you guys. Good day. Alright, have my hard docs today. That is the backup hard drive there, the 8 GB. It's the order I pulled out to use. The whole thing's really. And being set up for USB 3. Yeah, for Behringer terabyte. That's not too bad. Had that one image took 6 hours to make. Or USB 2, so I'll take it. But I'll go through here. Completely over with the old and with the new. And yeah. She was fine. Alright. Finally, after a couple months, I have the backup drive home, or the old offset drive. So the one I copied everything to is now at the offset location. This drive was at the offset location. Now come home, And I'm in the process of covering shiver. It's late at night. I've had a lot of shit to do. I spent like a couple hours reading a book from school, which is full of fucking shit I'll never use, but whatever. So, yeah, doing that now with the Mac Mini, or the Mac Mini backup. Copying over from the black, digital drive to the main backup drive. I'll do this all, like this at the end. Alright, welcome to the end. So, to clarify any confusion here, I'll make it clear. The hard drive I used at the beginning of the video, the first one, went to the offset location, and then I brought that one home to update it. So the one I updated first stays there, and then the one that was there came home, got updated, and then now I'll do it all again here in June. So, fun fact, funny story here, real quick. The safe that it's in, of course, I do have permission to use it, but I only have a code, key for it. It's not just mine, because it's not my house. But I have permission to put it in there. I have a code for the safe. Well, the safe's been in for a while, and the batteries died, so I couldn't get it at first. I had to get the key from somebody else to open the safe, and then pull it right out. I did that to kind of fire, I couldn't get it at first. But yeah, got the other drive out, brought it home, updated it, and that's in my safe until June when I do this thing again. So that's how my backup process goes. It's a simple process, it's kind of time consuming, but only once every 6 months. So, you know, yeah, I hope you don't need it. If I do need it, it's here. That's what's important. Hope you all enjoyed the video. I know it's a bit of a mess. I just don't know what it looks like because I edited it most of it months ago. Just I get the offset drive home and update it, and I'm all set. I would not show this again if I make a significant change to the process, because it's dangerous to make your time, and I don't care if it's over and over again every 6 months, because no. So, until I make a significant change to it, I won't show this again. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you guys. Take it easy.